I'm Anil Kumar. I have taken variety of questions, rather equations to solve. In this particular equation, we'll solve by first multiplying by common denominators and then performing inverse operations. The equation is x minus 5 over 4 plus 1 equals to half. Another practice question for you is x plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 over 3 equals to 0. Now the first step here is to find the lowest common denominator, right? So first step is to find lowest common denominator. For 4 and 2, the lowest denominator is 4. So we'll multiply each term by 4. So that is the strategy for us. Let's multiply the first term, which is x minus 5 by 4. So we have x minus 5 over 4 times 4 plus 4 times 1, right? So 4 times 1. You could write that in brackets also. And then we'll do half times 4, right? So it's good to write them in bracket. It means multiplication, right? Now 4 gets cancelled with 4. You're left with x minus 5. And 4 times 1 is just 4, right? So we could write this like this. So 4 times 1 is 4. And half of 4 is 2. So what you get here is a linear equation, as you can see, right? So we are left with linear equation. Now to solve this linear equation, we'll perform inverse operations. So let's first combine the numbers here. Minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. So let me rewrite this as x minus 1 equals to 2. Now, we want to get rid of minus 1. Inverse of minus 1 is plus 1. So I'll add plus 1 on both the sides, correct? So we'll do plus 1 on both the sides. That gives us x equals to 3 as the solution, correct? So that is how you can actually solve using common denominator and inverse operations. I hope that's absolutely clear. I'd like you to pause the video and answer the next question and then check with my solution. Let us follow the same steps. First step, to find the lowest common denominator. In this case, lowest common denominator is 2 times 3. 6. So we'll multiply each term by 6. So we have 6 times x plus 1 over 2 minus 6 times 1 over 3 equals to 6 times 0, right? So if you divide 6 by 2, you get 3. So basically you get 3 times x plus 1 minus 6 divided by 3 is 2 equals to 6 times 0 is 0, right? Let's open the bracket. That is a distributive property. So we have 3x plus 3 minus 2 equals to 0. Combine the numbers. So we have 3x plus 1 equals to 0. Now we can do inverse of the operations, right? Inverse operations. So here we kind of simplified, right? So simplify the equation and then perform the inverse operation, which in our case will be taking away 1 from both the sides, right? So we'll take away 1 from both the sides. So we are left with 3x equals to minus 1. To find the value of x, we should actually divide by 3 on both the sides, right? So that gives us the solution as x equals to minus 1 over 3. So that is how you can actually solve such equations. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.